If you ever feasted on Lamb Barbacoa tacos, that's an experience you will never forget. And in this video, I will teach you how to make it on your own so you can enjoy the flavors that made this dish so famous.
This little guy that you see here is something special. It is called a Dutch oven, and you have seen me use it a lot of times. For me, a kitchen is not complete with one of these little special guys. In here you can cook, bake, and even make a great barbacoa like the one we're gonna make today. Let's go.
This is not going to be a typical barbacoa as they make in Latin America. Those are great, but it can take many hours for it to be done, and you will need to dig a hole in the ground and so on. This is just an easy barbacoa you can make at home without breaking your back, digging a hole in a cemetery near you.
I've done it, and sometimes you can hear some voices calling your name. Not recommendable.
And all you need will be some spices, a good charcoal grill, and a good Dutch oven you can get anywhere for a very good price. Here we have this beautiful leg of lamb that we will debone and cut into big chunks so we can fit them all into the Dutch oven. Once your meat is cut and ready, remember to add some salt and allow the salt to rest on it for about 20 minutes. The salt will start to penetrate the outer layers of the meat and tender it up a bit for the cook. With all the meat already salted, it is time to get into making our sauce. The ingredients I will be using here should be easily available for you. And remember that I'm leaving all the info in the description of the video too.
Of course, there is a family secret to make the spices taste even better, and that's to toast them a little bit before doing anything with it.
Toasting the spices will make them release some of the oils and will make them easier to crack and cook later on. Besides that, the smells and flavors will be increased by the heat in a way that you never thought it would be possible. Don't believe me? Give it a try and see for yourself.
But please keep it as a secret between us, otherwise half of YouTube is going to start copying this recipe as they do with most of the videos we upload.
With the spices toasted, it is time to toast the chilies a bit too. The idea is the same. We will alter the state of the chilies for them to release some of the oils and scents. And while I have you here looking at these beautiful chilies pop up, I will remind you to subscribe if you haven't already and to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And now let's blend them up. I will add the chilies and the spices I toasted before together with 3 garlic cloves and a whole onion and cut into chunks. To that we add 4 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 cup of beef stock, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of pepper. And blending we go.
Allow the entire mix to blend at high speed for about 2 minutes.
If you would like to make this barbacoa in the Mexican style, this is the time to add the agave leaves to the pot, but in this case I will leave that part out. Next, we will grab our Dutch oven that already has the meat inside salted and pretty and add the sauce right on top using the strainer.
Or not. I know some of you guys are gonna forget the strainer part, so you do you, boo-boo.
And of course, there is no good barbacoa in the Ninja's house if we don't put some beer into the mix. Add the entire beer and watch those beautiful bubbles form. Now I will monitor the temperature of the grill as I want this barbacoa to cook nice and slowly. I will keep the grill at about 300 degrees and check it out every hour. And right after 4 hours, this is what you should get.
Well, Miss Ninja, I have a good surprise for you that I think you're gonna love, and I know you guys are gonna love too because
It smells
Man,
so
you
good.
have to try this thing. The smell is amazing. How do you like it?
The smell?
The smell, of course. You haven't tried the meat yet.
I love it.
You love it?
I'm sorry, I'm freezing.
It's a little cold.
It is cold.
It's about 57, something like that. It's not that crazy.
No, 40 something, I think.
It's not 40 something. Come on.
You
Well, Miss
do it.
Niña, let's give this a try.
Let's
so
do
we can
it.
do it quick and you can go back to your. Well, I know you're going to eat all this stuff.
Are we gonna do it in a taco or we're just gonna taste the meat?
Let's make the tacos.
Oh.
Let's go there. Let's
I
go
wanna
with the
ta-
tacos.
I want to taste it by itself.
Just by itself?
Yes.
Let's go give it a try by itself.
Let's go.
It's
Here we
good, guys. I have
It
one
looks
here.
beautiful.
The smells are amazing.
Look
It's
at this,
super
how tender.
It's
Wow.
falling apart. The juices are crazy and my mouth is watering.
Let's go.
Let's go for it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God,
This
guys.
is so
This
good.
thing, I can't wait. This thing is delicious, brother. Oh my goodness.
Sister, this is so good.
My mouth is watering. I'm sorry about that, guys.
I love it.
Guys, easy recipe. Everybody can make at home.
Wow.
It tastes amazing.
Wow.
You know what it is, right?
What
It's
is it?
lamb.
No way.
The one that you never like is lamb, and it's amazing. It's really good.
You cannot even feel that gamey flavor of the lamb.
So
Love it.
good, guys.
You
It's
did good.
Amazing.
Home run.
Easy recipe, nothing complicated at all. Easy ingredients, everything is there for you guys to do it.
Love it.
And remember, guys, that we have a giveaway going on
Yes.
right now. And all you have to do is go to subscribe to their website, saltytales.tv, and you're
There it
going to be
is.
able to win a full set of Neil Serap wraps.
All
And we're
right.
shipping all over the world, man, everywhere in the world for you guys. So remember to go and subscribe over there. And if we make you hungry, please hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and share these videos on your social network because that's helped us a lot. And leave your comments down there. I know I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna have some complaints about barbacoa and all that
this is
stuff,
good.
but this is amazing,
It's
easy
bomb.
to do, something you can do at home, and all you need is one of those beautiful Dutch ovens that is gonna help you do everything.
Oh, wow.
That's all for today, but remember that I love you.
I love you too. Thanks for watching. And thank you for all the beautiful comments saying that we were missing you. I miss you. We miss you. We miss you.
A comer.
See you in the next one. Bye.